Hello beautiful people, it's Sajulita's hair and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a flat twist. So I'm going to do them back, so one here and one on this side. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go, shall we? So I'm just brushing through my hair, make sure there's no knots inside and just brushing it. So yeah, just make sure it's fully detangled. I'm gonna part down the center because we're gonna be doing 2 flat twists. So well, your part don't have to be fully perfect because I don't think mine are, but just make a part down the center. So that's how it looks, and that's the back. I'm gonna tie this section away so it won't tangle in the other section. So we're gonna start on this side. So just giving it a little comb through, make sure it's good and ready for this flat twist. So you're just gonna start by twirling the hair around itself, but you're gonna need like 2 strands instead of 3 strands. So it's just see what I'm doing and just do the same. You're just wrapping it around itself and you're gonna have like this rope twist like. Camera not doing the justice of this braid. And I'm gonna just tie it with a rubber band to the end to keep it secure. You can coil it around itself at the end and use some bobby pins to hold it in place, but I use a rubber band. So I'm just combing to the ends and I'm gonna start on the other section. So you just do the same, wrapping it around itself or over itself, and just keep smoothing it out to make sure that it doesn't look bulky or too much flyaways after. Yeah, just keep wrapping it over itself, and then you see the kind of rope looking twist. I'm finishing off the last section. So that's it, easy and simple. And that's just me showing you my flat twist. That's from the side. That's from the back. My part isn't perfect, but it's okay. So yes y'all, that's how I do my flat twist. I hope you all enjoy it, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe if you want to stay and be a part of the family. Bye.